This video is meant for a simple sound comparison between Kailh's Ice Cream Pro switch, TTC's Silent Red V3, and Hape switch from Hape Store. Both TTC's Silent Red and Hape switches are designed to be silent linear, which is these two, while Kailh's Ice Cream Pro is usually for a creamy linear typing experience. Now I'm just comparing the spring pressure between each switch. So as you can see, the spring pressure between the Hape switch and Kailh's Ice Cream Pro is pretty much the same from top to bottom. So I think TTC's Silent Red V3 is slightly heavier towards the bottom. Let's start with Kailh's Ice Cream Pro switch. Now I'll switch all these switches to the Hape silent linear switches. Now there should be 48 switches, Hape switches on it. And now for the sound. So I still have the Kailh Ice Cream Pro on ESC. Okay. So this isn't quite accurate because I still have the Ice Cream Pro on caps lock, so I'll do it again. That's pretty nice. But generally speaking, you'd like your spacebar switch to be more meaty or squashy, especially for its upstroke. So I'll still use my TTC Silent Red here. Okay. And now I'll put my desk mat back to show you how quiet it can be. Now this is my final build. I do have TTC Red Silent V3 under the spacebar. And for the alt, this is Hape switch. Ice Cream Pro, Hape switch, Ice Cream Pro, Hape switch, and TTC silent red. Okay. Now for the sound test. Okay, one other thing about Hape switches after I've used it for several hours is that it has very heavy spring noise. I don't know if you can hear this. But if it's very quiet, you can hear it. So in case you wonder how wobbly they are, so the Kailh Ice Cream Pro has 5 feet, and Hape one has 3. TTC Silent Red V3 has 3, and this one is Ice Cream Pro. Although it has 5 feet, it's quite wobbly. I don't know why. And this one is Hape. Hape switch is quite stable. And for the silent red, okay, so it's kind of interesting that I think silent red is slightly more wobbly than Hape, and the Ice Cream Pro is the worst. When speaking of stability. Yeah, that's all.